yesterday when I was there in that webinar, I was very pleasantly surprised to listen to Kuchan. And Subhana, she is a chartered accountant, but you know the subject as on today, it is revolving around the performance of individual companies, okay, to what extent they are socially responsible, and what is their action plan, how are they going to reduce their carbon footprint, how are they going to be environment friendly. So there is a concept known as corporate social responsibility, which basically, it is not charity, it is basically, the corporates shall conduct their activities in a socially responsible way. And I was so very happy listening to Subhana Garu that I personally invited Madam to come, and in the days to come, definitely she will be a great asset, CGR, in our march towards sustainability. Madam, you wish to add anything?